Kia ora, we're the McNeils. I'm Preston.
I'm Faye. This is Khan.
This is Ari.
And this is Little Baby Wild. We love to travel, and now we're going on an epic roadie down State Highway 1. Let's go see if there's bees in the beehive. Who's going to be Prime Minister? We've got our little Dr. Bloomfield, little Jacinda.
Even the Prime Minister has to obey the Speaker because he makes sure that everybody follows the rules.
Oh, Auntie, look, yeah, Auntie, can you take a photo with Auntie, please? I think we should do the lounge like this. I'm loving the leather.
LCC.
So true is what I get from you. And I hope that you
Is this made from trees? That is made from merino wool, New Zealand merino, and organic cotton. But it's all global organic textile product, so it's free from formaldehyde, lead, nickel. Natural yarns, amazing. Kiwi companies doing super cool things.
My highway once.
most generous love you spread around to the people in your life, sharing their weight and their pressure just to make it right. I hope one day that you get it back if they come and stuff is
Marshmallow with piccolo chaser.
got something so true. Something so true is what I get from.
That's totally wizard.
And I hope that you see you get the best of me. Something so true.
Captain! We're under attack! Captain! We're under attack!
Hello, Boogaboo.
Bit of a battery.
You gonna take him down the slide, Ari?
None of this 10 to 2 stuff, it's all like 10 past 2.
But that's a tunnel.
That's a tunnel.
Yeah, it's a tunnel. It goes all the way through.
Why are you in the water?
Because she dropped something.
Question, did he get what he went in there for?
No.
Ah.
Because it's stuck down too far and I would have got my jersey socks.
Okay, cool.
From you. And I hope that you see you get the best of me.